In a large bowl, combine the warm water, brown sugar, and yeast. Stir until the yeast is dissolved and let sit for 5 to 10 minutes, or until the mixture becomes frothy. Add in the flour and salt, and mix until a dough forms. Knead the dough on a floured surface for about 8 to 10 minutes, or until it becomes smooth and elastic. Place the dough in a greased bowl and cover with a damp cloth. Let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Preheat the oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit, or 220 degrees Celsius. Line a baking tray with parchment paper. Bring a large pot of water to a boil, and add in the baking soda. Divide the dough and roll each piece into a long rope. Shape the ropes into pretzels. Carefully place the pretzels into the boiling water for 30 seconds on each side. Remove them with a slotted spoon and place them on a greased baking sheet. Brush the pretzels with the vegetable oil and sprinkle with cinnamon sugar. Bake the pretzels for 12 to 15 minutes, or until they are golden brown. Let the pretzels cool before serving. Why not try with a cream cheese frosting dip? Enjoy!